2020 Sailfish 242 center console. Here we are up at the bow. We have a windlass with rod holders, port and starboard. Nice Sailfish step that gets you to the bow. Cushioning with a backrest. And it can also be used as a bolster for fishing. Fish boxes, again, both port and starboard. An infloor well with a compartment for your 5-gallon bucket. Place a table right here for a nice lunch, or if you're rigging baits. We'll move further aft. Show you inside the console. There's a head, and there's the table. There was a console cover in there as well. Here we are at the helm of the Sailfish 242 cc. You have a Garmin display. This is a non-touch. You have the dials, Garmin VHF, your Fusion stereo, your Yamaha gauge, a glove box, another box here as well. Nice little storage area here. Control for your windlass. Tilt wheel with a power knob. Cup holders. Your keys are recessed so they're not banging you in the knee. Nice compartment below the helm here. You see the battery charger. Great helm seating. Armrest fold down. Holster seat can fold down as well. It's a nice, comfortable seat. Very comfortable ride when you're running around in the bay or the ocean. Move to the back of the helm seating. Lots of storage, drawers, tackle trays. This is really a nice setup. On the transom here we have more rod holders, ski pylon. We have a saltwater washdown. Take a coil hose, put the sprayer right in here. Room for your pliers, knives. You have a freshwater shower. Your swim ladder. There's your fill for your water. Over here you have a live well. Nice clear lid, light blue interior, and there's a light as well in there. We have one of the jump seats set up so your passengers can ride comfortably back here. As we look up, our molded hardtop, PFD storage, 4 rocket launcher up here. Set up and ready for outriggers if you'd like to add outriggers. And the underside of the hardtop matches the outside color of the boat. This is Jim Ferd from MarineMax, and this was the Sailfish 242 center console. Thank you. You can contact me regarding this boat or any other boat offered by MarineMax.